Make it a happy new year and come on over to the gardens on Spring Creek for a new educational gardening series on apple gardening starting Saturday, January 31st, and discover how to grow more in less space. If you think growing apples means big old trees that need ladders and take a long time to grow, then you're missing an important opportunity. Most apples sold in markets today are grown using a technique called the spindle method, where lots of little trees are planted close together in a much more manageable arrangement than the old standard system. Yet most gardeners and even arborists know little about it. For years I've taught and used espalier techniques in school and community gardens, yet I wish I had known about the spindle method earlier, since it's so much quicker and easier. That's why I've created this workshop and written a book for you, Apple Gardening. Participants in the first session will receive their own hardcover copy of Apple Gardening with over 85 photos and 76 pages detailing how the spindle system works. You'll discover how the spindle technique revolutionized the orchard and will ignite your next gardening passion. Now you can experience all the benefits of the spindle technique in your garden. For example, you can easily grow a dozen heirloom and specialty apple varieties in the same space that one old large tree used to require. Part 1 is a presentation on how easy the spindle system is. Part 2 is on March 7, getting ready to graft, practicing the technique and wrapping skills needed. And Part 3 on April 25th, participants will graft and take home 3 trees of their own. Sign up now as space is limited at gardens.fortcollins.gov website. See you there and get ready for your best gardening season yet.